Alright guys, so you can pause the video and give it a try, and you can resume the video for the solution for this question. So this is our question. The points 2, 5 and 6, 3 are the two endpoints of a diagonal of a rectangle. If the other diagonal has the equation y equals to 3x plus c, then c is. So simple question again. So let's construct this diagonal that has vertices 6, 3 and 2, 5. And now we know that the other diagonal has an equation y equals 3x plus c. I have shown that in black already. All right. So this is the diagonal. Black diagonal has equation y equals 3x plus c. Now this is one property we have studied in quadrilaterals and polygons, guys. For rectangle, the diagonals meet each other at a common point and then they bisect each other, right? And for rectangle, these diagonals are congruent as well. So the point where the two diagonals meet is actually the midpoint of the diagonal or both diagonals, right? So we can find out the coordinates of this midpoint by the midpoint formula. 6 plus 2 divided by 2. That is the x coordinate of your midpoint. And the y coordinate is 3 plus 5 divided by 2. So that gives me 8 by 2, 4, and 8 by 2, 4 again. So 4 comma 4, these are the coordinates of the midpoint of the two diagonals. But this point, this midpoint also lies on this other diagonal, right? So it should satisfy the equation here, y equals 3x plus c. Let's substitute x as 4 and y as 4 in this given equation. Y is 4 and so is x. X is 4. We will get 4 is equal to 3 into 4 plus c. So 4 minus 12 is equal to c, or c is equal to minus 8. And very clearly it is our D option, minus 8. That's the answer to our question.